I see one.
I'm getting hungry, man. I'm talking about barbecue.
But I really want to eat hot dogs.
Sounds so good.
Steak.
Good.
Beef.
That's steak.
And the most good one. Burger.
Oh.
And also, don't forget, Spam musubi.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That's the move right there. Spam musubi is my favorite.
I know.
Oh,
Sugar cheeks.
Should we make spam musubi?
Yeah, let's do it.
Like right now, you want to go make some?
Yeah.
It's going to take us, okay, I'm trying to time it out because it takes like 8 minutes to cook the spam. If there's any rice, we could just like use the rice.
Right.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
That's a fake one.
No, it wasn't. It's not real.
No? It's fake.
Hold on, let me burp.
What? No, that's the real one.
What?
That's a real one.
It's pretty good.
But mine
I don't know how to do a fake. Go. That's real.
No, that's fake.
How's that fake?
I just sucked in the air and then put it in my throat and then.
But you're still burping. A fake burp's one of those like, bah, like you fake the sound. So that's real burping.
No.
Oh my God.
But that wasn't real.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna try go up to red.
Did you do it?
Hold on.
Yeah, you did it. You did it.
No, I went to a yellow.
Go again. Whoa,
That's
there's like
orange.
Let's see if I can go to red. Red! Did it. Go, try again. Did it? It did.
No, it went to yellow stuff.
Yeah, you did.
No?
Yeah, that's red.
Yeah, now that's red. Because I did this.
Cheater.
No, that's not cheating. Let's go make spam musubi.
Let's go.